Oof, got the skunk off my back at this point. Good morning guys, welcome back to the channel. Doing something a little bit different today. I'm actually fishing the Illinois River here in Illinois. I don't do a lot of river fishing, but I want to start to get into that. So I think for today, I'm going to primarily target largemouth bass and smallmouth bass, but I think probably more so smallmouth bass. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Stay tuned. Let's hope it's a good one, and I'll catch you guys out on the water. All right guys, we're in the water now, and I'm going to go ahead and start off with some top water. So I think I'm going to start off with the Chapo from Berkeley. Again, you've seen me throw this before. That's what that looks like. I think with the Chapo, I'm primarily trying to target some smallmouth bass. But I'll take anything. I mean, who knows what we're going to catch? We can catch some smallies, some white bass, largemouth bass, maybe a northern pike. That's kind of the cool thing with the Illinois River, is that you can get a mixed bag of a variety of fish, really. Still looking for our first fish, guys. No bites have been here for about a half hour. But honestly, today's all about trying something different. As I mentioned earlier, I don't really fish a lot of rivers. All right, guys, I'm gonna call that spot number one because I totally got skunked. I didn't catch a single thing. I didn't feel too bad. There was actually several boats out there and it doesn't look like anyone was catching anything. So I'm going to go ahead and drive to spot number two. So I know this lake pretty well, so I do have some confidence that we'll come out of here with a couple of bass. But I am looking for size, so hopefully we can catch at least a 3 or 4 pounder or break my PB, which is really just 4.5. So you never know. Stay tuned and I'll catch you guys out there. All right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and switch to the good old trusty flipping jig. My go-to bait. We'll see if we can catch one at this point, just one. What a tough bite. Man, that felt good. It's not a big guy at all, but that's one. Hopefully that's a good sign. Maybe the bite will pick up. Working hard for this one, guys. Just a little guy here. But we're on the board. Oof, got the skunk off my back at this point. Felt great getting that first one, guys. Glad the skunk is off my back, but that dude was pretty tiny. Oh man, that was like a 2.5 to 3 pounder. Oh. All right, number two. Number two. I got you. I'm working hard, guys. Here's the second one of the day. Another small one. Still feels good though. Sun's pretty brutal too, if I'm being honest with you guys. We need more fish. All right. Biggest one so far. Probably about a pound or so. Pretty decent sized fish, about a pound or so. Caught him on the flipping jig. And again, I did switch to that G-Crack spear on twin. So right away I caught this guy. Definitely the biggest one of the day. Hopefully, I don't know, hopefully that's a good sign that we'll get something bigger, maybe more to come. I'm only here for another hour or so though. Hey guys, I'm in the house now, actually in the garage. It's the following day and I just unpacked everything. And honestly, it was a really tough day. I ended up catching just the 3 fish. Nothing great in terms of size, definitely nothing great in terms of numbers. But overall, just had a really tough day reeling anything in. But yeah, overall, just a tough day. Again, I tried a couple different things. I threw a Texas rig. I threw my favorite flipping jig with my G-Crack soft plastics. I threw a spinnerbait and I was super surprised because I thought that was gonna do really well. All right guys, if you like the content, if you like the videos, go ahead and subscribe down below and hit the like button as well, as I would really appreciate that, and that definitely helps out the channel. I'll catch you guys out on the water next week.